starts now. I'll play two videos, but one completely outperformed the other. Why? Today I'm breaking out the result of this YouTube experiment that I did, so you can learn what works best for your channel and do it also. Yes, I tested my channel with two different types of content or two different types of video. One, a tutorial video, and one, an experiment video. I wanted to see which one would get more views, more engagement, and even most important, more watch hour. And this really surprised me. I posted a tutorial video called I Got CapCut Pro for free by doing this 2025 step-by-step process. And it is a 8-minute video, 20 seconds. Yes. And the experiment video I posted is I posted every day for 2 months and the truth about YouTube growth and what I discovered. And it is what? It is 9 minutes, 4 seconds. So first, I want you to know both of them have different views and different minutes. And one view is higher than the second one. And what? I got CapCut Pro for free by doing the 2025. It got me 952 views. And the second one, which is I posted every day for 2 months, the truth about YouTube growth and what I discovered, it got me 673 views. That's 2 different views. But before we check the results, take a guess. Which one do you think performs better? Comment below which one do you think will perform better between the two. I'm waiting. Anyways, let me tell you the results. The answer is I posted every day for 2 months and the truth about YouTube growth and what I discovered. And it got me what? 673 views and have what? 16.4 watch hour. The watch hour might have increased by now, but currently it was on 16.4 watch hour. And I got CapCut Pro for free by doing this 2025. It got me 952 views and it have what? 15.5 watch hour. And why does it perform better than the other? Like, why does the first one with little views has more watch hour than the second one with more views? Yes, CapCut Pro had lesser views according to what I noticed. It's because of 4 good reasons. Number 1, the title and thumbnail. I always say it every time. Learn how to create a very catchy thumbnail and title. It's because of 4 good reasons. Yes. Number 1, the title and thumbnail. I always say it every time I post a video. Learn how to create a very catchy thumbnail and title. Because what? It sparks curiosity in you. And you'll be like, did he really post for 2 months? Did he succeed? And many more questions that will pop up on your mind. And number 2, audience retention. The watch I posted every day for 2 months, the truth about YouTube. And what I discovered. For 1 minute 27 seconds, above 1 minute 27 seconds, that's how much they watch it to. And it has what? 6.2 impression click-through rates. And you know it's click-through rate that matters. That is what matters. Yes, but I got CapCut Pro for free by doing the step-by-step process. It got me 952 views, which is higher, but has an impression rate of 7.4 click-through rate. But the thing is, most people watch less than 1 minute. That is what killed that video. So what I learned is most people love experiment video. Like videos like, if YouTube is recommending your video, turn this off. If YouTube is recommending your video, turn this on. Most people want to know if it works or not. Yes, that is why you see people that they're always watching that kind of video every time on YouTube. Because of what? They want to know, did this turning it off, does it work? Turn it off, does it work? Those kind of things. Yes. So maybe later I'll show you the full analysis of this experiment video that I did. So I advise you to try an experiment on your channel, but do it the right way. And what? Test different content on your channel, but not too much. Yes, not that you start doing vlog today, tutorial tomorrow, clinical tomorrow. No, just small, not too much. So if you love this video, if you find this video helpful, I hope you found this video helpful and you were able to learn something. So thank you for staying tuned. See you in another video. I am Good Vibes. Bye bye.